So I come bearing good news. Before now, you can only generate square images like what you're seeing on your screen on Meta AI. But as at the time of this video, you can now generate landscape images like what you're seeing on your screen right now, which is perfect for YouTube videos and for those who do folktales or any storytelling niche. That's not just all. You can also animate these images over at this part where you can see animate. So instead of going through the stress of making the video, taking it to any other app or a website to animate, you can do everything on Meta AI. Meta AI is currently improved on their features and it's amazing what you can do on it. So if you want to see how I was able to do this thing from start to finish, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process very shortly. All I need you to do is to watch this video to the end. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to someone who might need it. And let's get started. So the first step is to type Meta AI in your browser. Once you type it, you're going to get something like this. So click on it, and it will take you to this interface. So there's a lot of things that you can do on Meta AI. You can, create a design on this canvas part. You can create an image over here, and then you can attach a file just like you usually do on ChatGPT. Meta AI now has a part where you can attach a file and tell it to analyze the file to give you a particular response or a result. So basically, Meta AI can do a whole lot. All it depends on is on how you prompt the machine. That's not what we're going to be doing now. What we want to do is the image generation part. So let's get started. So what you need to do is come over to this part and paste your prompt. It could be anything, but I actually love this playful prompt I had about an African animation story. So whatever works for you. So this prompt says a humorous and dynamic village scene set in a vibrant rural setting. A young dark-skinned boy is wearing a yellow sleeveless shirt, blue shorts, and is running away in a playful terror from an unusually large and angry rooster. The rooster, mid-stride, has its wings spread wide and every other thing that is here. So I don't want to go really deeply into it. So once you're done, go ahead and hit on enter, and it's just going to take a few seconds and you will get mind-blowing images like this. So this is our result, and you can see different variations of the images. So you can basically just choose whichever one works for you, whichever one best describes your idea. If you do not have what you want, you can just edit it until you get what you want. But I actually like this. Okay, but the problem is that this is already in a square form and we're looking at changing it to a landscape for YouTube, for those who would be doing a YouTube video of these images. So what you just need to do is just go ahead and tap on the image. Once you tap on the image, it will take you to an interface that looks like this. So you can do a whole lot here. Okay, you can change the style of this image. All you just need to do is to click on style to change the style to 3D if it's 3D you want, and then there's anime, there's cartoon, there's college, there's cookie, crayon, doodle, basically anything. You can do it on this part. So you can see the different styles here. So all you just need to do is to click on it. So if you click on 3D, you'll see that the image will change to 3D. So you can see that it's giving us a 3D version of the image. This is wonderful. So let's try out something. Let's try doodle. This over here is doodle. So we'll just click on it and see what it gives to us. So for the doodle, you can see that it has changed it from 3D to doodle. So you can work on this until you get what you want. So basically, you can change the feel of your image over here at style. Okay, so now that you've understand this part, I'll just go back to the first image I've generated and then we'll change it to the landscape. So here it is. What you just need to do is to come over to this part that has the aspect ratio aspect. Once you click on it, you can see different aspect ratio. This is the square. This is for someone that wants to do the TikTok version or the YouTube shorts of it. So you can use 9:16, and this is for YouTube, something that they've not had before, but we are glad that they have it. So go ahead and click on 16:9 if you want the YouTube aspect ratio. Once you click on it, the next thing you need to do is to hit generate for you to get. This is actually stunning. I love this so much. And then let's check out the second one. The second one also makes sense, and what you just need to do is to just choose from the different images that ChatGPT has given to you for you to get the one that you really want. Now let's go over to animate these images. Now to animate these images, still on this part, head over to click on animate. Once you click on animate, it's going to take a few seconds, but you're going to have something that looks like this. So this is the animated version. It has different variations. Some are not really corresponding, but you can go ahead and select the one that you want. This one is a bit fair. This one makes a bit of sense. Now this is where the magic happens. Now if you do not like this animation it has given to you, you can come over to this part that says describe what you want to add or remove or change over at this part. Once you've described it, or like you've described how you want your animation to be, you go ahead and click on edit and it will put in your changes for you. So I hope you've learned something new. This is the end of our video for today. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let me know in the comment section what other video you want me to make. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.